Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In today's lesson, we're going to review everything we've learned about stress and intonation so far. In English, duration, intensity, and pitch are all connected, combined together into one messy thing: stress. Try the word celebration. Celebration. You see, se, bre are longer, louder, and higher in pitch. Celebration. In IPA, we put a chong before the stressed syllable. When you see the chong mark next to the syllable, the next syllable is longer, louder, and different in pitch, up or down. Let's try. Happiness. Happiness. Gorilla. Gorilla. Japanese. Japanese. When a sound doesn't have stress, it gets weaker. Usually, we change the sound to an It's a short, weak sound in the middle of your mouth. We can think of stress as a set of levels. First, every syllable gets a stress. Hikaru plays Minecraft at home. Then we add more stress to the strongest syllable in each word. Hikaru plays Minecraft at home. Still not very good, right? The next step is to add 1 point to the strongest word in each phrase. Hikaru plays Minecraft at home. A little better. Finally, we add 1 point to the strongest syllable of the strongest word of the clause. Hikaru plays Minecraft at home. Ooh. Between phrases, we can put a break. It's the speaker's choice, though. We don't have to break if we don't want to. A break can mean a pause, but it doesn't have to be a pause. Sometimes we break just by lengthening a sound. We do it in Japanese, too. Let's try. My sister is studying at school. My sister is studying at school. Let's try some variations. Let's see how the intonation changes. My sister is studying at school. Number 2. My sister is studying at school. Number 3. My sister is studying at school. Number 4. My sister is studying at school. Positive statements, negative statements, requests, and WH questions all use falling intonation. Let's try. This is a pen. This is not a pen. Please give me a pen. Where's my pen? Yes, no questions fall until the strongest syllable. That syllable drops low, and then we rise. Is there electricity? Are you Japanese? Is this the orientation? We also use rising intonation for lists. We use a pattern of rise, rise, fall. The rising intonation tells our listener, hey, I'm still talking, don't talk yet, it's my turn. Let's try. I have A, B, C, and D. My son has a tiger, an elephant, a kangaroo, and a panda. Many people now use this intonation for other kinds of sentences, not just questions and lists. We use it to say, this is not the end of my speech. We call this uptalk. Let's try. So there was this guy, Gary, and Gary's pretty tall, but not like monster tall. And we were talking about Australia. In the next lesson, we'll look at some special, difficult points for Japanese English speakers. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye-bye.